Htown Carpenters. We do custom cabinets, restrooms, shelves, you name it, we do it. Closets, kitchens, stash spots. We make all kinds of little custom made things you guys might want. Floating shelves, invisible cabinets, invisible closets, invisible doors, invisible hinges. We do all kinds of different doors and cabinets. We make drawers. We make pretty much anything that got to do with carpentry. We do it. Stairs. Custom closet right here. Do crown molding. Do picture frames. We do all kind of frames. Soft close drawers. See that? You ain't gotta worry about your drawers breaking. That nice. Nice, custom made. We do hidden compartments. Do custom made doors, custom made cabinet doors. We hang doors, custom made shelves, floating shelves, all kinds of base and trim, crown molding. You name it, we do it. Look at that. Check how they close. Soft close, baby.